Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up always on display and brightness on Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. So first of all, we're gonna have to open the wearable application on the smartphone. We have our watch pair 2. After that, we're gonna have to open the third tab for settings, and here we're gonna have to go to display menu. And in this display menu, we can both adjust the brightness, and we can do it manually by moving this leveler, or we can also do it we can also enable the adaptive brightness, and we can of course enable or disable the always on display for our watch. And that's how we do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.